Hi, my name is Bill Halowich, and I've had a cervical neck surgery yesterday, and my experience has been tremendous. Dr. Serrano and his team have led me and my wife all the way through this experience from the start. It's been a really good experience. I had a colleague back at home who had a surgery on his lower back. After I seen his results 3 weeks later, I booked my appointment with Liz and the team and followed up by a Zoom meeting with Dr. Serrano for a healthy hour. Answered all the questions I needed, returned another phone call once or twice after that, got back at us with a couple of dates, chose the date in September because I had lots of work to do and get cleaned up. And then basically my wife was supposed to come down with me, Brenda, and she had surgery to attend, so she had to cancel. So I come down by myself. Emmy picked me up at the airport, led me through everything on Monday night. Tuesday morning, picked me up, did some pre-op stuff, went over and saw Dr. Susanna and Dr. Serrano. They worked on my lower back for a bit, did some neurology tests later that day, so it was a big day. The following day, went for the surgery at 10 o'clock in the morning. After that, basically, I was in surgery till 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Got a couple 0P stabilizers installed in my C6 and 7. They were what Dr. Dip says as the big brother to the little 0P. A little more beefy because they were aware of my activity level, so that's what they decided to go ahead with. I've been icing my neck for the last couple days. Great instructions, great medicine, great people. Moved to the recovery center where I am now at Vita, and this is day 2. I'm probably 24 hours out of surgery right now. A little hoarse in the voice, but feeling really good other than that. I'd like to thank Dr. Serrano and his team. It's been an awesome experience. I would highly recommend this to